There, day traders, welcome back to Fighters Trading Channel, and we are here with a Forex Flow video. Today is Thursday, the 26th of June, and for those of you that are joining us for the first time, what we do within the Forex Flow videos is break down the major currency pairs by combining their both technical analysis and fundamental insights to map out where the markets could potentially be heading. I start by analyzing key price levels, trend structures, and momentum on higher timeframes to understand the broader direction. Then I layer in the latest macroeconomic data, central bank sentiment, and geopolitical factors to gauge what could drive movement in the days ahead. This blend of price action and fundamentals helps me build a clear directional bias and offer actionable insights for navigating the week with confidence. So we're starting with EURUSD. Actually, just starting with the currencies first, we can see that there's strong USD weakness coming out of the markets as euro and yen battle for the top spots. Now, this is also due to the USD index being very bearish at the moment and creating new lows very much every single day. You can see we've broken past that previous lower low. It's also because the US has put themselves in the middle of the conflict between Israel and Iran, which has placed some tension on the strength of the currency moving forward. So at the moment, we're just waiting to see, or the markets are waiting to see how the conflict shakes out and if the treaty will hold, to then gauge where the USD strength will kick back in. Moving on to the euro, we can see that the euro holds strong and is making some very decent gains in the market. We can see this very strong bullish trend that we have here, and we are creating new highs as it moves with the generally bullish index. The yen has recovered from the lows that it was creating, but it appears that it may just be retesting this break and retest zone here at 68.93. So we are still holding to wait to see whether price and momentum will break above the 50 SMA and actually continue into that bullish territory, or if the bears will step back in and continue to the downside. So in terms of intraday and scalping opportunities, Euro USD is very bullish at the moment. We can see we are currently on an impulse move. We also have bullish price action structures with the bullish trend lines still very much intact. We have higher low and respective higher high structures that are being formed. Price is trading comfortably above the 50 SMA, and we are trading within the bullish region of the RSI. As a matter of fact, we are in the overextended territory. The last time we were in overextended territory, we had a retracement. So I am expecting some sort of retracement soon. The best place I can see for a retracement is potentially here at this, just marking this out properly, about this 1.163 level. I'd say that's a prime opportunity if there is a deeper retracement into the market, although we could potentially see it retrace all the way back to 1.16 as well. So just right now with this market an impulse move, it doesn't really give me any due reason to get in because the momentum is so bullish at the moment. So I would like to wait for the market to play out first before I actually hop into it. Moving on to Euro JPY. Euro JPY is also very much bullish with the euro and the yen currently duking it out, leading to a bit of a double top formation right there. Now, we're still awaiting if this is a confirmed pivot of market structure and we're going to continue moving bearish, or if this is just a temporary structure. As it stands, the market is still bullish. We have higher low followed by respective higher high structures that are still in the market and that are still holding strong. Market price is still trading above the 50 SMA, and we're very much trading in the bullish region of the RSI. So that gives rise to a lot of bullish confluences that confirm that this market will still move up. I will be waiting to see how price reacts to the 167.984 level, seeing how price reacts there. If we get a bullish signal, I'm comfortable taking longs to the upside. At the moment, USD JPY is very choppy at the moment as the US figures out its next three moves. We're still seeing a strong momentum push in both directions without support or resistance level without the support of firm support and resistance levels in the market, which makes it very difficult to interpret when the pivots actually happen in this market. And for that reason, I'm staying out of this. Moving on to just check out the other currencies. So taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is choppy. We can see that the markets did drop below the 100,000 mark to 99,000 before pivoting to the upside, currently at 107.496. USD ZAR is very bearish at the moment, continuing to make lows, which is great to see. CHF yen is bullish. We can see that this market has been moving with a strong push to the upside. We can also see sort of double top formations forming. So this is probably due to the yen weakness that we were observing. However, with the yen strength kicking in, we have to wait to see if this is a sustained move. But as it stands, price is trading above the 50 SMA and very much in the bullish territory of the RSI. Yeah, that's trading in a structure. That's choppy. Pound yen also making some strong bullish moves. We can see we bounced off this bullish support trendline structure, and we are making some strong moves to the upside. We have a resistance level playing out there. And yeah, overall price is moving super strong. Pound USD had a strong break to the upside. We can see we are on this impulse move. Price trading above the 50 SMA and then overextended territory of the RSI. My expectations for this market is awaiting the retracement to confirm the bullish trend structure, potentially to the 1.359 mark, and seeing how price reacts there before I take any firm positions. In terms of USD CAD, still not really giving too much in terms of market directionality. So just coming back to EURUSD, let's take a look at the fundamentals that we could see for today. Not much in terms of fundamentals. We see we have some 2:30 p.m. news. We have some red folder news for unemployment claims and final GDP quarter on quarter. We also have some orange folder news for durable goods, price index, pending home sales, and then the president in Europe that is speaking. So we have some red folder news. Important to take note of this before you trade. I would also suggest that you go and check out some of the headlines that are coming out of TradingView news outlets or even FX Street news outlets, just to gauge what investor sentiment is like at the moment for the respective currencies that you are trading. But with that, I wish you a successful trading week, and I'll catch you in the next video, traders. Cheers.